Hello guys, in this video, we will explain how to delete a TikTok account permanently or temporarily, and it will return it whenever you want according to your desire. But before broadcasting in the explanation, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share the video. Let's go through the explanation. The first step, my friend, is to go to your TikTok account. After that, click on the profile icon or the personal file icon. Then you will click on the small afternoon prayer that is here. After that, click on Settings and Privacy, then click on the account. After that, here you will find deleting the account or suspending it temporarily. You click on it. After that, if you want to suspend the account and delete it temporarily and retrieve it, when you click on the first option. If you want to delete the account permanently, click on the second option. You cannot retrieve the account after more than 30 days. This was the topic of today's video. I hope you liked it and benefited. For any inquiries, any problems or suggestions, write them in the comments and we will meet in an upcoming video, God willing.